In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an expenses in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring in your expense data from a file without missing anything important. Let's start by opening Zoho Books and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to let everything load, especially if you have a lot of data. From here, we'll navigate straight to the expenses section, since that's where the import will happen. Look towards the main navigation menu and click on the option labeled Expenses. This will open up the expenses page where you can normally see a list of all the expenses you've already recorded. Make sure you're in the correct organization or company if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally import data into the wrong place. On the expenses page, move your cursor to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This button usually reveals extra actions that aren't shown by default on the main toolbar. From the small menu that appears, look for the option that says Import Expenses and click on it. This will open the import screen, which is where you'll upload your file and match its columns with the fields in Zoho Books. On the import screen, you'll see a button labeled Choose File. Go ahead and click on that. A file picker window will open from your computer. Navigate to the location where you've saved your expense file, which is typically in CSV, XLS, or a similar supported format. Select the correct file and confirm your choice so that it appears attached on the import page. Once your file is selected, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Zoho Books will guide you through steps like choosing the file format, mapping the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books, and reviewing any sample data. Take your time to double check that important fields like date, amount, account, and vendor are mapped correctly.